Ellie. It's called the 2-coin trick. Do you have any idea why it's called the 2-coin trick?
2 coins?
Have you seen it before? Very good. Yes, it is. Do you know what this is called?
Flipping?
No, it's called showing off. Also, the reason I had no girlfriend all the way through uni, but there you go. That's the silver coin, you can look at that one. That's the copper coin, you can look at that one. Pick them up, touch them, examine them, feel them. This is my favorite type of magic. I love coin magic.
$1.
We're going to do the 2-coin trick, like I say, because it uses 2 coins. I'm going to go really slowly. I'm going to reach into my hand and take one of the coins out. I'm going to take out the silver coin. Now, the answer to this is very simple. If I put 1 coin in my pocket, what does that leave over there?
Copper coin.
No, it's the 2-coin trick. You've got to remember it uses 2 coins. You've got to remember this.
I'm not learning everything.
Shall we do it again?
Please.
I'll go really slowly. Look, I'm going to take the 1 coin. This time we'll take the copper coin. I'm going to take 1 coin, put it into my pocket. I'll close my hand. I'll snap my fingers. What does that leave over here? How many coins in the hand?
1.
No, you got to remember, it's the 2-coin trick. It uses 2 coins. You got to remember this. Look, I'll do it again, really slowly. If I put 1 coin, this coin here, in my pocket, what does that leave over here? I'll give you a clue. I want you to win. I genuinely want you to win. I really do want you to win. What's over here?
Going in 2 coins.
See, you're getting it now. That's amazing. Well done. One last time, Ellie. You know the answer now. Now she's catching on. So one last time. I'm going to take out the silver coin this time, okay? So for the big finish, I'll put the silver coin in my pocket. What does that leave over here? You know the answer. You know the answer.
2 coins.
I thought you were getting it. I really did. Honestly, I thought you were getting it. That would have been, almost, just so close.